Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Street English Pod, the podcast where you learn real, everyday English through real conversations. I'm Chris.
And I'm Mia. Today's topic is one that everybody can relate to, shopping for clothes. We've all been there. Walking into a store, trying to find the right size, maybe asking the salesperson for help, and finally deciding whether to buy something or not.
Exactly, and let's be honest, sometimes shopping can be fun, sometimes it can be stressful. Maybe you like shopping for new styles, or maybe you just want to grab what you need and leave. Either way, you'll need the right phrases in English to make it smooth.
So here's the plan for today. First, we'll listen to a realistic dialogue between a customer and a salesperson in a clothing store. After that, we'll explain the useful expressions one by one. Then, we'll repeat the same dialogue at a slower speed so you can catch every word. Finally, we'll give you more examples and practice. And, don't miss this, at the very end, after the episode finishes, you'll hear a vocabulary section with 10 important shopping words and their meanings.
All right, let's get started. Imagine you're walking into a clothing store. The salesperson greets you and you're looking for a new shirt. Let's hear the dialogue.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Trendy Styles. Can I help you find something today?
Hi, yes. I'm looking for a casual shirt.
Sure. What size do you usually wear?
Medium, I think, but sometimes large.
No problem. What color do you prefer?
Maybe blue or gray. Do you have this shirt in blue?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here it is. Would you like to try it on in the fitting room?
Yes, please.
After trying it on,
how does it fit?
It feels a little tight around the shoulders. Do you have it in a large?
Yes, I'll bring you a large. One moment. Here you go.
Thanks. Tries it on again. Okay, this one fits much better.
Great. Would you like to take it?
How much is it?
It's $45, but today we have a 20% discount.
Nice. I'll take it.
Perfect. You can pay at the cashier over there. Don't forget your receipt in case you need an exchange.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
All right, let's break it down. The first phrase was, "Can I help you find something today?" This is a classic opening line in stores. It's polite, friendly, and shows that the salesperson is ready to assist. You'll hear it in clothing shops, bookstores, electronic stores, everywhere.
Exactly, and it's softer than "what do you want?" It sounds welcoming. You can even use a similar phrase in your daily life. For example, when your friend looks lost, you could ask, "Can I help you with something?"
Next phrase, "I'm looking for." The customer said, "I'm looking for a jacket." This phrase is super useful. Instead of just saying jacket, which is not polite, "I'm looking for" makes you sound natural and respectful. You can use it in any shop. I'm looking for a laptop. I'm looking for shoes.
And then we had, "Do you have this in a medium?" This is a very common shopping phrase. You can replace medium with small, large, or even colors. Do you have this in blue? The pattern is always the same. Do you have this in?
Another important phrase was, "Can I try this on?" This is how you ask to use the fitting room. In English, we don't usually say, "I want to wear it." The natural way is, "Can I try this on?"
Finally, "I'll take it." This is the magic phrase when you decide to buy something. It's short, simple, and very common. Instead of saying, "I will buy this jacket," just say, "I'll take it." That's what native speakers use.
All right, now we'll play the same dialogue again, but more slowly. This way you can really hear every single word. Focus on the phrases we just explained.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Trendy Styles. Can I help you find something today?
Hi, yes. I'm looking for a casual shirt.
Sure. What size do you usually wear?
Medium, I think, but sometimes large.
No problem. What color do you prefer?
Maybe blue or gray. Do you have this shirt in blue?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here it is. Would you like to try it on in the fitting room?
Yes, please.
After trying it on,
How does it fit?
It feels a little tight around the shoulders. Do you have it in a large?
Yes, I'll bring you a large. One moment. Here you go.
Thanks. Tries it on again. Okay, this one fits much better.
Great. Would you like to take it?
How much is it?
It's $45, but today we have a 20% discount.
Nice. I'll take it.
Perfect. You can pay at the cashier over there. Don't forget your receipt in case you need an exchange.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Okay, let's practice with examples. First phrase, I'm looking for.
Example 1, I'm looking for a pair of jeans. Example 2, I'm looking for a new phone case. Example 3, I'm looking for a birthday gift for my friend.
Notice how flexible it is. You can use it in clothing stores, tech shops, or even online. Whenever you want something specific, just say, I'm looking for. It makes you sound natural.
Next phrase, do you have this in?
Example 1, do you have this in red? Example 2, do you have this in size small? Example 3, do you have this in leather?
This phrase is powerful because it helps you customize. You're not just accepting what's there, you're asking for options. And salespeople expect this question, so it's always safe to use.
Now let's practice, can I try this on?
Example 1, can I try these shoes on? Example 2, can I try the blue dress on? Example 3, can I try this jacket on in the fitting room?
And here's something interesting. In American English, people often say try on, while in British English, sometimes they just say try, like, can I try this? Both are fine, but try this on is more complete.
Last phrase, I'll take it.
Example 1, I'll take the blue one. Example 2, I'll take it with me today. Example 3, I'll take 2 of these, please.
And this phrase is usually the happy ending. It signals the sale is done. You can also use it outside stores, like when making decisions. Which movie do you want to watch? I'll take the action one.
All right, that's all for today's episode of Street English Pod.
Remember, these are phrases you'll definitely use when shopping, especially for clothes. Practice them this week. Maybe next time you go shopping, try to use at least 2 of them in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite item of clothing to shop for?
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode of Street English Pod. Bye.
Vocabulary section.
Fitting room, a small room to try on clothes. Size, how big or small clothes are. Price tag, a label that shows the cost. Discount, a lower price than usual. Cashier, the person who takes your money. Receipt, paper that shows what you bought. Brand, the company that makes the clothes. Style, the design or look of clothes. Fabric, the material clothes are made of. Exchange, to return something and get another item.
Vocabulary and sentences.
Fitting room. Excuse me, where's the fitting room? Size. Do you have this t-shirt in a larger size? Price tag. The price tag says $25. Discount. These shoes are on discount today. Cashier. Please pay at the cashier over there. Receipt. Don't forget to keep the receipt. Brand. Adidas is my favorite sports brand. Style. That jacket has a really modern style. Fabric. This fabric feels very soft. Exchange. Can I exchange this shirt for another color?